Good morning, Gladiators. Today is Friday, March 26th. Today we're going to review and revise conclusions, and we're going to edit your leadership essay and complete a discussion post. So in your conclusion paragraph, you should restate your thesis. You're going to use different words to communicate your thesis statement to avoid repetition. Take your thesis and say it a different way. Your conclusion paragraph should sum up your ideas and restate your thesis and leave the reader reminded of your position on the topic. Your very last sentence in your conclusion paragraph should end with strong words, a message, or restatement of the prompt. Try a truism. So looking at this essay, we remember that the thesis, this was a score point 4 that we saw on Tuesday. There will be a time in everyone's life where taking a risk is the best choice because it could end up making all the difference and potentially change your future. So that is our thesis. In our conclusion, the author says, when it comes down to what your future holds, that is an ideal opportunity to take chances. Sometimes taking a risk can change the course of your life, which is the same as saying potentially change your future for the better. And that is when taking a chance truly pays off. So that is their bold sentence at the very end. So you're going to go back to your essay, you're going to restate your thesis and your conclusion, and then you're going to write a bold statement to wrap up your essay. Highlight your restated thesis in your conclusion in orange. When you are done revising your conclusion, then you are ready to edit your entire essay. Now we will go check for spelling. A little trick that you could do is you could read your essay from the very last sentence all the way up to the first sentence, looking for fragments. So then we would go and we would take this last sentence. Sometimes taking a risk could change the course of your life for the better, and that is when taking chances truly pays off. Next sentence, all the way up. When it comes down to what your future holds, that is an ideal opportunity to take chances. And so when you read it from the bottom up, now we are not placing in words that we know should be there, but because we are so used to reading it from the top bottom, and it flows so well in our mind, we can take each sentence individually to edit for fragments. And then we're checking for proper punctuation. Read it one more time before you submit your final draft. And then when you are done reading it, submit it, and we are done with our first test grade of this grading cycle, and ready to take the Writing Star test on April 6th. Thank you guys. Don't forget to do your discussion post. I'd like for you to write your last bold sentence from your essay in the discussion post. And that's all I have for you today. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. See everybody on Monday.